Hey folks, Michael Koski here with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. We got a beautiful day and a beautiful camper. I have the privilege of bringing you the brand new 2026 Keystone Cougar 28 RLI. This is part of the Cougar Half-Ton family. Beautiful new graphics, fiberglass exterior, beautiful new Kurt hitch up front. No chucking with that bad boy. I'm going to do a nice little walk around on the outside, then we'll go inside and see what you think. Starting up front as always, beautiful new front cap, new Cougar graphics for 2026. Really attractive with that black and chrome. I touched base on the new Kurt Helix series. Hitch, no chucking, real smooth, stable pulling. Belly storage, battery compartment, spare tire, solar controller. All up front, nice convenient location, out of the elements. On the passenger side here you have one 30-pound LP tank, an additional one on the driver's side. Big pass-through storage. Really roomy, really spacious. Charging, outlets, TV hookup. See that aluminum welded structure, built very well. Safe, secure, and solid. Two big power awnings. Real simple, real push button. Easy to operate. Outdoor speakers. You can see that aluminum apparatus on the roof. That is your solar panel. This has the Solar Flex solar panel on board. Really nice, solid, adjustable steps. Make getting in and out easy. It's safe, it's secure, it's solid, and adjustable per the terrain. Big slide out, factory tinted windows with an additional awning here. Protect you from the elements. On the back, you have the 2-inch receiver. That's if you want to bring your bicycle with you, bring a small little carrier, kayaks, backup camera ready, roof access ladder, power cord hookup, 50 amp service. Just a real clean look. The new 2026 Cougar 28 RLI. On-demand hot water heater from Suburban. Endless amounts of hot water. All-in-one docking station. Outdoor shower, winterizing, black tank flush, city water connect. Key TV hookup. Push button, 4-point electric auto level. Turn it on, push a button, let it level itself. It's really that easy, that simple. And of course, your second 30-pound tank. Hey guys, if you have any questions, text me, call me, 218-225-8463. I'm here to help, so let me know. Stepping inside. Beautiful new exterior, beautiful new interior as well. You're getting some of your brown accents back, not just that gray and black and white, some of the brown. This has the new flex dinette. I'm holding the camera, so bear with me, but it's really slick. So this little ottoman is portable. Obviously the freestanding chairs are portable. This is the four-person setup, but let's say you want to use it as an office and look out the window. Pull that out, spin that table around. Now you can put both your chairs at the edge of the table and be looking right outside and use that as a workstation as well. Kind of a neat system. Theater seating. It's always a great thing to have theater seats directly in line of your fireplace, and TV. No more wrenching your head, neck, left or right. It's directly in front of you. Great rear living. Beautiful views. Big windows letting in all that natural lighting. Huge hidden pantry. Hang your coats, hide your guns, store your food, whatever you need. The counter space in this is amazing. I mean, look at all that prep area. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like to cook, think of the buffets you can set up here. Outlets on both sides. Overhead storage. Microwave. Stainless steel sink with more prep area. Storage below. Nice big Furrion fridge freezer. This is 12 volt. And again, this Cougar is set up with solar. 3-burner cooktop. Hood vent. Oven. Great storage. Make our way up to the master suite. Giant sleeping area. Outlets, charging ports on both sides. Great spots to put your CPAP. Storage overhead. Storage on both sides. This has dual ACs, so you'll be plenty cool in the front or the back. And then your big wardrobe in the back. Washer, dryer, prep as well. So if you're on the go doing extended trips and they're sick of using the laundromat and spending 30 bucks, buy yourself a washer, dryer, put it on, and you'll be all set. Residential step-in shower with skylight, exhaust fan, places to hang your towels, plenty of room for your toilet to sit down, big medicine cabinet, nice sink, great storage. Your control panel right when you walk in the door is super easy to access. It's right in front of you. Don't miss a beat. Your slides, your awnings, your lights, max air vent, nice big grab handle. So guys, as always, thank you so much for taking the time. The beautiful new 28 RLI Cougar. This is in the half-ton family. Make sure you have a big enough half-ton. Probably a 3/4 ton to pull up, but that's okay. Beautiful new interior, great contrasting with the browns. Still got the driftwood looking floor, but just a beautiful, beautiful product from Keystone. So guys, thanks again. Call me, text me, 218-225-8463. Michael Koski with Bullion RV. Thank you so much. Have a great day.